Are you tired of missing important Venmo transactions, or perhaps getting bombarded with notifications you don't really care about? Do you ever wonder if there's a better way to stay on top of your Venmo activity without constantly checking the app? If so, you're in the right place. We're about to dive deep into the world of Venmo notifications, uncovering all the tips, tricks, and hidden settings you need to master your financial alerts. In today's fast-paced digital world, where money moves with the speed of light, staying informed about your financial transactions is more crucial than ever. Venmo, as one of the most popular peer-to-peer payment apps, has become an indispensable tool for many of us, whether we're splitting dinner bills, paying rent, or sending money to friends and family. But with great convenience comes great responsibility, the responsibility to manage your notifications effectively. Think about it. How many times have you sent money to someone and then wondered if they received it? Or perhaps you're waiting for a payment and want to know the instant it hits your account. On the flip side, maybe you're getting pinged for every single transaction, even those you're not directly involved in, leading to notification fatigue. It's a delicate balance, isn't it? You want to be informed, but not overwhelmed. That's precisely why understanding and customizing your Venmo notifications is so vital. It's not just about turning them on or off, it's about tailoring them to your specific needs, your lifestyle, and your comfort level. By the end of this video, you'll be a Venmo notification pro, able to confidently navigate its settings and ensure you only get the alerts that truly matter to you. We'll start by exploring the foundational aspects of Venmo notifications, then move into the nitty-gritty of customizing different alert types, addressing common notification challenges, and even touching upon some advanced strategies to optimize your Venmo experience. So, buckle up, because your Venmo notification journey starts now. The first step in taking control of your Venmo notifications is understanding where they live within the app. Venmo, like many modern applications, centralizes its notification settings to give you a comprehensive overview. To access these settings, you'll typically navigate to your profile icon, then the settings gear icon, and finally, look for a section specifically labeled Notifications or Push Notifications. This is your command center, where you'll be able to tweak and fine-tune your alert preferences. Once you're in the notification settings, you'll likely be presented with a range of options. These can vary slightly depending on your Venmo app version and device, but generally, you'll see categories like payments, requests, comments, social, and security. Each of these categories represents a different type of activity within Venmo, and each offers its own set of notification choices. Let's break down the most common notification types you'll encounter and how to manage them. 1. Payments received. This is arguably one of the most important notifications. When someone sends you money, you want to know immediately, right? Venmo typically offers options for how you receive these alerts: push notifications, which pop up on your phone screen, email notifications, and sometimes even SMS text messages. For critical financial alerts like payments received, I highly recommend enabling push notifications and email notifications. Push notifications provide instant awareness, while email serves as a good backup and record. 2. Payments sent. While less critical than payments received, knowing that a payment you initiated has gone through successfully can provide peace of mind. You might choose to receive push notifications for these as well, especially if you're sending large sums or to new recipients. However, if you find yourself sending numerous small payments, you might opt for email notifications only to reduce on-screen clutter. 3. Payment requests. If you're requesting money from someone, you'll want to know when they respond to your request, whether they pay you or decline. Similar to payments received, push and email notifications are your best bet here for timely updates. 4. Comments and likes. Venmo has a social feed, and people can comment on your transactions or like them. For many users, these social interactions aren't critical financial alerts and can quickly become a source of notification overload. This is where you can be ruthless. If you don't want to be constantly pinged about who liked your transaction or commented thanks, you can often turn these notifications off entirely or limit them to only show up in your in-app activity feed rather than as push notifications. This is a prime example of customizing for your peace of mind. 5. Friend activity/social notifications. Venmo's social aspect also includes notifications about your friends' public transactions. If you enjoy seeing what your friends are up to on Venmo, you might keep these on. However, if you prefer a more private and financially focused experience, you can definitely disable these. Remember, Venmo's social feed is visible in the app regardless, so turning off these notifications won't make you miss out on anything in the app itself, just the external pings. 6. Security and account alerts. These are crucial. Venmo will send you notifications about suspicious activity on your account, password changes, new device logins, and other important security-related events. Always ensure these are enabled, preferably via push notifications and email. These alerts are your first line of defense against potential fraud and unauthorized access. 7. Promotional notifications. Like many apps, Venmo might send you promotional offers, news, or updates. While some might be relevant, many users prefer to opt out of these to reduce clutter. You'll typically find a separate toggle for marketing or promotional notifications that you can easily switch off. Now that we've covered the different types of notifications, let's talk about the art of customization. It's not just about on or off. Venmo often provides granular control within each category. For example, under Payments Received, you might have options for push notifications, email notifications, and SMS notifications. This allows you to mix and match based on how you prefer to receive information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.